Brethren, if a man be overtaken in a fault, ye which are spiritual, restore such a one in the spirit of meekness, considering thyself, lest thou also be tempted. Galatians 6, verse 1. The restoration of a fellow Christian is not an option, simply because we ourselves have been the beneficiaries of God's loving kindness. We are to be a people who walk humbly before God, do justly, and love mercy. We are to be those who climb into the pit to help our brother. We are to lift him up and out of the mire of sin that has enveloped him. We are to travel to where he lies, broken and wounded, and help free him from the bondage of hopelessness, of shame, of frustration, and doubt. We are to offer to the fallen the hand of consolation instead of bringing the crush of condemnation. We are chosen. We are commanded. We are critically positioned to bring the defeated to the knowledge of the cross. We are to wait patiently for their eyes and hearts to be focused upon the truths of what Jesus did for us, exhorting them to depart from faith in any other hope outside of the cross. Then the manifestation of sin that controlled them can be destroyed, their hope in God restored, and their souls guaranteed to be strengthened by the power and presence of the Holy Spirit. Ye which are spiritual, restore.